Creating an AI influencer is one of the biggest opportunities right now if you want to make thousands monthly. A hyper-realistic digital model that looks almost identical to a real human. These AI influencers are blowing up on social media and making money through platforms like Fanvue with subscriptions, premium content, and exclusive offers. For example, AI influencers like Aitana Lopez have built massive audiences and turned their digital identity into a serious income stream. And the crazy part? You can create one too. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a realistic AI influencer and monetize it using Fanvue. So watch this video till the end because I'll break down everything you need to know. Now let's get started. The first step is creating a Fanvue creator account, which is the platform we'll use to monetize our AI model. Unlike many platforms that don't fully support AI influencers, Fanvue gives creators the opportunity to monetize AI-generated models. Head over to Fanvue and click on Become a Creator, then sign up for an account. Once you're in, click on Start Earning. Next, choose your country of residence and hit Continue. After that, you'll be asked to select your content type. Simply choose AI Creator. Then Fanvue will ask what kind of content you plan to create. Select the option that best matches your niche and continue. Now enter the display name of your AI influencer. Then create a unique handle or username and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to set your subscription price. Choose a price that fits the type of exclusive content you plan to offer your audience, then continue. Finally, you'll need to verify your identity. Don't worry, this is a normal step required to activate your creator account. Click on Verify and Start Earning. Choose any of the accepted personal documents listed, complete the verification process, and once approved, your Fanvue account will be fully created and ready to monetize your AI influencer. Now it's time to create our AI influencer. If you want, you can use your own face as the base for your AI model. But if you want to create a completely different character, head over to Instagram and search for models. You'll find tons of real human model references you can use for inspiration. Scroll through and choose the look or aesthetic you prefer, then take a screenshot and save it to your device. Next, head over to ChatGPT, upload the reference image you just saved, and paste in the custom prompt that I'll leave in the description below. Once you click Enter, within seconds, ChatGPT can generate a realistic, clean character reference board image for your AI influencer. Save that character board to your device. This is extremely important because with a character reference board, you can generate unlimited new photos and social media content for your AI influencer while keeping the same facial structure, body proportions, hairstyle, skin tone, and overall identity consistent across every image. The next step is creating content for your AI influencer, which you'll post on both your Instagram page and Fanvue account to start building an audience and monetizing your model. First, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you prompt to generate profile photo for your AI influencer. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and head over to Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, set your preferred aspect ratio, then upload your character board image as a reference image. This is important because it helps keep your AI influencer overall identity consistent across every image. Now paste your prompt, click Generate, and within seconds, your first realistic AI influencer image will be ready. Download it to your device. Next, head over to your Instagram account and upload this image as your profile photo. Then add the name of your AI influencer to complete the first part of your branding. Now let's create more content. Head back to Flow AI, make sure you upload your character board reference image again, then paste a new prompt and click Generate. In seconds, your next AI influencer image will be ready. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Download it and upload it to your Instagram page. To make your Instagram page look more professional, we now need to optimize the profile. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a bio for your AI influencer. You'll get multiple bio options. Choose the one that best fits your brand, then copy and paste it into your Instagram bio. After that, click on Links and add your Fanvue profile link so followers can easily access your premium content. Then complete your profile settings. At this point, your AI influencer Instagram page is fully set up and ready to grow. Now the key is consistency. Keep posting realistic AI influencer content, lifestyle images, engaging photos, and high-quality posts to attract followers, build trust, and gradually direct traffic to your Fanvue account, where users can subscribe for exclusive content, premium offers, and other monetization opportunities. Now let's create video content for our AI influencer, which we can post on Fanvue and keep our page active with premium content for subscribers. First, we need to decide what type of video content we want to create. Head over to Instagram and search for the kind of content you want, whether it's dancing or other engaging influencer-style content. Scroll through the options, choose the video style you prefer, then download it to your device. Next, open the video and take a screenshot of the outfit and environment we want our AI influencer to match. Save it to your device. Now head back to ChatGPT, upload that screenshot, and ask it to generate a detailed prompt for your AI influencer wearing the same outfit and in a similar room or environment. In seconds, your prompt will be ready. Copy that prompt and head over to Flow AI. Once again, upload your character board image as the reference image. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and within seconds your new image will be ready. Download it to your device. Now it's time to animate the image. Head over to Kling AI, then click on Motion Control. Upload the AI influencer image you just created. Next, in the Motion Reference section, upload the original reference video and select it. Then click on Settings and set the orientation to Match Video. Select your preferred video mode, turn on original sound if needed, and click Generate. Within seconds, your AI influencer video will be ready. Preview it. And now you have realistic animated content for your AI creator brand. Download the final video to your device. Now head over to your Fanvue account and click on New Post. Choose who can access the content. Upload the AI influencer video, add an engaging caption, then click Create Post. At this point, your premium AI content is live. The key now is consistency. Keep creating realistic AI influencer videos, exclusive content, and premium visuals to grow your audience, increase subscriptions, and monetize your AI influencer successfully. If this video helped you, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.